Macaws, the vibrant jewels of the Amazon, bring the rainforest to life with their brilliant plumage and raucous calls. Their bright reds, blues, yellows, and greens blend with the canopy, providing both camouflage and spectacle. These intelligent parrots form lifelong bonds, often seen flying in pairs. They play a vital role in the ecosystem by dispersing seeds, helping the forest regenerate. What many don't know is that macaws visit clay licks, consuming minerals that neutralize toxins from unripe fruits. Despite their beauty, deforestation and the illegal pet trade threaten them, making conservation essential to preserving their dazzling presence.